Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a portfolio on Yahoo Finance. First, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Finance homepage. Look for the My Portfolios link, usually found near the top navigation bar. Click on it, then select Create New Portfolio. You will be prompted to give your portfolio a unique name, perhaps Long-Term Investments or Tech Watchlist, making it easy to identify. This initial step takes less than 1 minute. Now that your portfolio is named, it's time to add your investments. Use the search bar to find specific stock tickers like OPL for Apple or MSFT for Microsoft. Once you find your asset, enter the number of shares you own and the price you paid for them. This crucial detail ensures your portfolio accurately reflects your gains and losses. You can add dozens of different assets, from individual stocks to exchange-traded funds, in just a few minutes. With your investments added, you can now customize how you view your portfolio. Click on the Customize option to select which data columns are most important to you, such as daily gain, market value, or percentage change. You can also set up alerts to notify you of major price shifts or breaking news related to your holdings. This allows you to stay informed and track your portfolio's performance in real time, giving you a clear picture of your financial health. Beyond basic tracking, Yahoo Finance offers several advanced features. You can delve into detailed charts to analyze historical performance and compare your assets against various benchmarks. Access a wealth of news and research directly related to your specific holdings, helping you make more informed investment decisions. Remember to regularly update your portfolio with any new purchases or sales to maintain its accuracy and ensure it remains a valuable tool for your financial journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.